This is a Search for Spock phaser, which we've updated, taken from an old Richard coil. I have to mention that, by the way. It's an old Richard coil, it's not an Ed Marecki's. What we've done is taken it, updated it, real nice, and special feature. Take this off. Inside of here is a soundboard. Always carry an extra battery right next to it in case you go to conventions. Alright, great. Now, turn it on. Still flashing. Oh, sorry, my hand's over the finger. That's the speaker hole right there. Okay, reinsert it. And you have nice trigger, huh? See it? Turn it off, remove it, take your, looks working, doesn't it? But it's not. Watch. Stick it in there. It's a non-working phaser, but you still have sound. Go to conventions, you have this one with this one. You have this, and you have this. Both phasers come with this unit. Like I said, keep an extra battery on the side in case this one wears out or that one wears out. But it's all there. Nice. Locks in. No screws or anything. All you do is take it, apply pressure toward this, and leave it locked in like that. These are brass. They're supposed to be painted blue. I didn't like the blue. I kept it brass because it looks a lot better. Okay.